Welcome to our fascinating journey into the world of great apes. These incredible creatures, chimpanzees, gorillas, orangutans, and bonobos, are our closest relatives in the animal kingdom. Today, we're going to explore some surprising and lesser-known facts about them that go beyond the basics. Stick around until the end for some truly mind-blowing revelations you won't want to miss. Let's start with the unique characteristics and behaviors of great apes. Did you know that chimpanzees are not just intelligent, but also incredibly innovative? In the wild, they've been observed using sticks to fish for termites, and even crafting leaves into sponges to soak up water. This kind of tool use was once thought to be a uniquely human trait, but chimpanzees have proven that they too can manipulate their environment in creative ways. In one fascinating study, chimpanzees were seen using rocks to crack open nuts, a complex behavior that requires both strength and precision.
Orangutans, on the other hand, are known for their impressive ability to create tools from their environment. In the dense rainforests of Borneo and Sumatra, these red-haired apes use sticks to extract insects from tree bark and leaves to fashion makeshift gloves to handle prickly fruits. This ingenuity showcases their adaptability and intelligence, allowing them to thrive in challenging environments. Moreover, orangutans have been observed using large leaves as umbrellas to protect themselves from the rain, demonstrating their ability to use their surroundings to solve problems.
Moving on to social structures, bonobos are particularly interesting. They live in matriarchal societies where females hold the power and maintain strong social bonds. Unlike their more aggressive chimpanzee cousins, bonobos resolve conflicts through affection and social interactions. Their societies are characterized by cooperation and peaceful coexistence, offering a unique perspective on how social structures can vary among great apes. In bonobo groups, grooming and play are crucial for maintaining social harmony, and their societies are often described as more egalitarian compared to other primates.
Gorillas, in contrast, live in tight-knit family groups led by a dominant silverback. The silverback is responsible for the safety and cohesion of the group, making decisions and mediating conflicts. These family groups, or troops, are fascinating to observe as they move through their forest habitats, foraging for food and caring for their young. The bond between the silverback and his family members is incredibly strong, highlighting the importance of social connections in gorilla life. In addition, gorilla infants often play with each other under the watchful eyes of their mothers, learning essential social skills through these interactions.
Great apes also exhibit deep emotional connections and empathy. For example, chimpanzees are known to console each other after conflicts. When a dispute occurs, other members of the group will often approach the affected individuals to offer comfort, sometimes embracing or grooming them to help ease their distress. This behavior suggests a level of emotional intelligence that is quite remarkable. In some documented cases, chimpanzees have been observed comforting grieving mothers who have lost their infants, demonstrating an understanding of complex emotions such as grief and loss.
Gorillas, too, show signs of mourning for lost family members. When a gorilla in the group dies, the others may sit quietly nearby, sometimes touching or grooming the body, as if paying their respects. These moments of grief indicate a profound awareness of loss and a deep emotional bond within the group. It's a poignant reminder of the complex inner lives these animals lead. Additionally, gorillas have been observed making sympathetic vocalizations towards distressed group members, further illustrating their capacity for empathy.
When it comes to communication, great apes are truly remarkable. Some have even been taught basic sign language, bridging the gap between our species. For instance, Coco the gorilla learned over 1,000 signs in American Sign Language, allowing her to express her thoughts and emotions in a way that was previously unimaginable. Coco's ability to communicate with her caregivers opened up new avenues for understanding the cognitive abilities of great apes. Her use of sign language to convey emotions such as love, happiness, and sadness provided profound insights into the emotional depth of gorillas.
Orangutans have their own unique ways of communicating. They produce a variety of vocalizations, including long calls that can be heard over great distances. These calls serve multiple purposes, from attracting mates to warding off rivals. The complexity and variety of these vocalizations demonstrate the sophisticated communication systems that great apes have developed. Moreover, orangutans use a series of gestures and facial expressions to communicate their intentions and emotions to other members of their group.
The cognitive abilities of great apes are astounding. Chimpanzees, for instance, can remember locations and sequences of numbers, displaying impressive memory skills. In controlled experiments, some chimpanzees have been able to recall the correct order of numbers after seeing them for only a brief moment, outperforming even human participants in some cases. This level of cognitive function indicates a highly developed working memory. Additionally, chimpanzees have demonstrated the ability to plan ahead, such as by selecting and transporting tools for future use.
Orangutans demonstrate foresight by planning their next moves. In the wild, they may stockpile food in anticipation of scarcity, showing an understanding of future needs and the ability to prepare for them. This foresight is a clear sign of advanced problem-solving capabilities, highlighting the cognitive complexity of these apes. Orangutans have also been observed using sticks to test water depth before crossing streams, indicating their ability to use tools to gather information and make informed decisions.
Did you know that great apes have their own cultures? Among chimpanzees and gorillas, for example, knowledge of medicinal plants is passed down through generations. Some groups of chimpanzees have been observed using specific plants to treat illnesses, and this knowledge is shared among group members. This transfer of knowledge resembles human cultural practices, where important information is passed down to ensure the survival and well-being of the community. In some regions, chimpanzees have distinct grooming techniques and foraging methods that are unique to their group, further illustrating the cultural diversity within the species.
Orangutans also exhibit cultural differences between populations. In different regions, they have developed unique methods for building nests, using tools, and foraging for food. These variations in behavior are learned and shared within groups, creating distinct cultural identities among different populations. It's a fascinating example of how culture can evolve in non-human species. For instance, some orangutan populations have been observed using leaves as napkins to wipe their faces after eating, a behavior not seen in other groups.
Unfortunately, great apes face numerous threats, including habitat loss, poaching, and disease. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these magnificent creatures. Sanctuaries and reserves provide safe havens for displaced and orphaned apes, offering them a chance to live in a protected environment. Anti-poaching initiatives are also vital, as they help to curb the illegal hunting that poses a significant threat to ape populations.
In addition, captive breeding programs aim to increase the numbers of endangered species and reintroduce them into the wild when possible. Habitat restoration projects aim to rebuild and preserve the natural environments that great apes rely on. By reforesting areas and creating wildlife corridors, conservationists work to ensure that apes have the space they need to thrive. Public awareness campaigns also play a key role in conservation, educating people about the importance of protecting these incredible animals. Supporting ecotourism can also provide financial incentives for local communities to preserve habitats and protect great apes.
Before we wrap up, let's highlight some of the amazing information we shared today, plus some other facts about great apes that you might not know. Great apes share about 98% of their DNA with humans, making them our closest living relatives. This genetic similarity provides valuable insights into our own evolution and biology. Research on great apes has significantly advanced our understanding of the human body and its capabilities.
Gorillas and chimpanzees have been observed using medicinal plants to treat illnesses. This behavior, known as self-medication, highlights their ability to recognize and utilize natural remedies. Bonobos, often referred to as the hippie apes, use laughter as a social bonding tool. Their playful interactions and vocalizations help to maintain group harmony and reduce tension. In addition to these incredible facts, great apes have also been observed participating in acts of altruism. Chimpanzees have been seen sharing food with others in their group, even when they have limited resources themselves. This selfless behavior indicates a level of social cooperation that is truly remarkable. Moreover, orangutans have shown the ability to recognize themselves in mirrors, a trait known as self-awareness. This cognitive ability is rare in the animal kingdom and further demonstrates the advanced mental capacities of great apes.
Great apes are truly remarkable beings, with complex behaviors, deep emotions, and incredible intelligence. By understanding and protecting them, we not only preserve their lives, but also gain insights into our own origins. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of great apes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating wildlife videos. Together, we can make a difference in protecting these amazing creatures. Thank you for watching.